Importing DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is a straightforward process that allows you to easily manage and scale your MongoDB databases in the cloud. To begin, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up a new project. Once you have done this, navigate to the DigitalOcean dashboard and click on the Create button. Then select Manage Databases from the drop-down menu. Next, choose MongoDB as your database engine and select the cluster size and configuration that suits your needs. You can choose from a variety of plans, including Basic, Standard, and Premium, each with its own set of features and pricing. After selecting your plan, click on the Create Cluster button to create your new MongoDB cluster. Once your cluster is created, you will be given a connection string that you can use to connect to your database. This string includes the hostname, port, username, and password for your database. You can use this string to connect to your database from your application or from a MongoDB client, like MongoDB Compass. To import data into your new MongoDB database, you can use the MongoRestore command line tool. This tool allows you to import data from a MongoDB dump file, which can be created using the MongoDump tool. To use MongoRestore, simply run the command and specify the connection string and the path to your dump file. It is also important to note that DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB provides a number of features to help you manage and scale your databases, including automatic backups, high availability, and vertical scaling. These features can help ensure that your database is always available and performing well, even in the face of high traffic or large amounts of data. In conclusion, importing DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is a simple and straightforward process that can help you easily manage and scale your MongoDB databases in the cloud. By following these steps and using the features provided by DigitalOcean, you can ensure that your database is always available and performing well, and that you can easily scale to meet the needs of your application.